Now I'm going to show you where to find your Pop and Eco Lab notebook and how to send it to Notability. So go ahead, open up Schoology, and then go into your Pop and Eco Life Science class. And when you do, you're going to go into this course information folder, and then you're going to scroll down to where you see Pop and Eco Lab notebook. So once you find that, go ahead and click on that, and you're going to get a document that pops up that looks like this. It is 78 pages, don't worry, we won't use all 78. But up here in the top corner, you're going to come up to this box with the arrow. Go ahead and click on that. And then you should have an icon here that says Notability. You're going to click on that. Once this pops up, you're going to want to click on Create New Note. Now, the note title, you can call it whatever you want. I'm recommending leave it like that because it tells you what the course is and what the document is. But if you want to call it something else, go ahead. If you have your Notability organized into classes, go ahead and stick it in your science class. I'm just going to leave it in the unfiled notes. And you want to make sure the pages says all. Once that's all set, go ahead and click import, and you should get a box that pops up that says file sent to Notability. So go ahead and click on this done, and then you're going to close Schoology and go and open Notability, and you should notice that that document that we just sent, that lab notebook, should be right there for you ready to go.